The Expert RAW app allows me to unlock the camera's full potential, resulting in better quality photographs with higher dynamic range and more flexibility in post-production.
The higher the number value on the slider, the warmer the image will appear, and the lower the value, the cooler the image looks. This is an extremely powerful feature as color temperature helps set the mood of any photo.
What I like most about this app is how easy it is to tweak my focus between the lenses. Notice the inbuilt histogram preview screen, which helps me understand the tonal values and the overall brightness of my photograph.
What I love about the Expert RAW app is it allows for 16-bit RAW DNG files and HDR multi-blended RAW files.
These files combine multiple frames from the camera sensor into a single file, which is a lot higher quality.
I'm going to use Quick Share to transfer the pictures onto my Samsung tablet. The entire process is seamless.
Lightroom is the program I use to edit all my photos and allows me to go in and adjust exposure, shadows, and color temperature.
And honestly, I think it's pretty remarkable the amount of quality I've been able to get out of this camera with Expert RAW app and a little bit of processing.
I've never had so much control over shooting photos on my smartphone, and the results have looked more professional than ever.
So grab your phone, download the app, and go explore the world.